Today's mortgage rates are the lowest mortgage rates we've seen in 50 years. Fixed rate mortgages are averaging between 4.5%, 4.75%, and that's just a phenomenal interest rate. It's a great time to be a shopper looking for a mortgage in today's market. The best way for a potential applicant to find out whether or not they can qualify for a loan is to go and talk to a lender and get pre-qualified for a loan. I would suggest actually talking to maybe 2 or 3 different lenders, see what types of products they offer, see what types of interest rates they would quote you.
We want to make sure that borrowers have 3 things very stable. First off is credit, making sure that they've demonstrated a good credit history, ability to handle debt, make sure that their debt isn't excessive to their income. Also, capacity. Clearly, income's important. You need to make enough money to afford the payment, but also making sure that that income is going to be stable. And then lastly, making sure that you've got an adequate down payment. I think the other thing that's changed substantially in the last few years is documentation, really ensuring that your house is in order in the sense that you've got your documents that show your income, your employment, also your credit, that you keep good records and track of the information that the lender is going to then need. One of the common misconceptions is people think you have to have at least 20% down in order to get in a home. And there are a lot of mortgages and mortgage money available with as little as 5% down. So doing your research and homework and looking at some of those options can be really key.
We at Freddie Mac know that the mortgage rates are at such a low level because we conduct a survey every single week of what mortgage rates are across the country. We've been doing this since April 1971, and we know that the rates today are the lowest rates as in the history of our survey.